nakapila na yung ating cart dito. Good morning! Alis tayo, punta tayo ng Mount para mag-grocery nga ako ng mga babaunin ng mga bata. Si Holly pala, tsaka si daddy niya, ang aga nila, nag-feed sila ng horse. Then, punta sila ng beach kasi si Belle, kung maalala nyo nung isang araw, pinaliguan si Belle sa dagat. Gagawin ulit today. So, nandun sila, busy yung mag-ama sa kanilang horse. Then, yung dalawang boys, ayun, naglalaro sila ng PS. Tapos tayo mag-grocery. Ayaw nilang sumama. Sa ton. Punta muna ako dito sa Asian store kasi naiwan ko yung, hindi naiwan, nakalimutan kong kunin yung dates dry, basta yung Chinese na ano, na fruit na pwedeng gamitin pa nagluluto ka. Yung goji berry ang nakuha ko, pero kinuha ko rin yun, hindi ko alam kung bakit hindi nakalagay doon sa basket. Nag-check out kami. Dito tayo. Hi! May bago silang fruits, veggies. Pero mayroon pa ako dun. Ang hinahanap ko, ang gusto ko sana sa kanilang makita is yung radish ng Korean. Wala akong makita. So, okay, kunin natin yung kailangan ko. Eto ba? Jujube date. Ano ba? Juju. Diyan tayo sa pause. Sana crispy. Ay. Yung green. Check natin yung green. Masarap yung strawberries nila eh. Wala masyadong blueberries. Ito yung gustong ham ng mga bata. Ayaw na nila yung nasa pack. Gusto nila yung gypsy ham. Magkakat sila. Kasi wala na dito. Oh, so cute. Thank you.
How do I tell you that it's all because of us? Because of what I'm feeling. And the gloves of fool and game. I don't want you to be crying tears of pain. Even though it feels like I'm close to you, but still so far away. I kiss you, but not in the same way. I cannot tell you how it happened, but things started to change. I'm not sure of what I'm saying, 'cause every time I'm sharing into something, I started shaking. There's always something I am missing. But this love's a fooling game. I don't want you to be crying tears of pain, even though it feels like I'm close to you, but it's still so far away.
Medyo tahimik ang coast.
I touch you,
Popcorn.
but not in the same way. You saw what's coming in my eyes.
Miss ko din to.
You heard what's coming on my voice. You took my hands and pinned your forehead against mine and waited for me. You waited for me. Love's a fooling game. None of us want to be crying tears of pain, even though it feels like we're closer now, and we'll get closer every day. I'm trying, oh, in every kind of way. I don't want you to be crying tears of pain, even though it feels like I'm close to you. I'm still so far
Biskop na nasa pa. Maliliit. Meron yung before.
but not in the same way.
Wala na. Try ko nga ulit sa kanila itong corn. Sour cream chives. Na rice. Na yung nasa pack. Ito na lang. Merong biscuit cream, vanilla, milk chocolate. Ito na lang. Yung original biscuit cream. Number 3 na lang ang meron. Nipis nito eh. Ayan, number 7. Parang itong dalawa. Kasi mas makapal to. Thick ba siya? Okay. So, tayo ng Ziploc. Ito yung maliit ata. Naghahanap ako ng kitchel, pero wala akong makita dito para sana sa gagawin kong ice candy. Ito yung medyo malapit. Siguro ito na lang. Isalin-salin ko na lang para madali. Meron ako nito, kaso mabigat. Ito na lang para sa ating pag-ice candy. Okay, I think I'm good. Oh my good. Mayonnaise. Ito ang mayonnaise. Wala na akong mayonnaise dun. Ito. Itong gusto ko. Okay, that's it. Meron pa akong Dijon mustard. Bay leaves. Ayan, wala tayo. So, naghanap ako ng chicken feet. Wala akong makita. Gusto ko sana mag-adobo ng panang manok. Kapila na yung ating cart dito. Okay, tapos na tayo dito sa chores. Malapit lang yung kinarta natin. Ayun yung cart. Uwi na tayo guys. Tinawagan ako ni Jan. Remind niya lang sa akin na meron daw na police doon malapit sa may sa amin. Yung pa-heels. So sabi niya, slow down lang daw doon. And pupunta siya dito sa town. Ipapawash niya yung isang car. And then, pipick upin niya ako sa bahay after kong put away yung mga pinamili ko. Kasi magde-drive daw kami. May sakya ko ba? Okay. Okay. Alright. See you later guys. Uwi na tayo. Bye na tayo guys. Ayan na yung boys. Sila na yung mag-unpack niyan sa car. Is Holly here? Yeah. Okay. She didn't go with Daddy. Ang init guys. Alright. Nilapag lang talaga nila dito. Holly? What are you doing? Na ano?
Can I get ready?
Huh?
Can I get it ready?
No, not yet, but we're going Daddy said we're gonna go somewhere.
No, we're just going in the day.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot to video.
my
I'm just
God.
kidding, I did a video, Mom.
What did you vlog?
The horse in the ocean.
Ay, meron pa pala dito mga ganito. Bumili rin ako ng biscuit. Ay, may Oreo pa sila. Yeah, maybe. It depends.
What's that?
We've got lots of Mentos here. Why is all the Mentos? Can you throw this out? Because or pick? Kasi may mga wrappers na wala ng laman. Ayun talaga.
Mentos ako. Is that thin?
Yeah, very thin. It's cold.
What are these?
Oh, that's for
Are they dried olives?
dates. That's dry dates. It's not gonna fit all these.
Yeah. I love this popcorn. This is the best popcorn.
That one.
I like sweet and salty as well. Or extra butter. Say salty as well. Probably.
No, yeah. I'm just gonna wait.
Bakit kanino di mapigil ang iyong ganda? Ang sintang nadaramay di mo pinapansin kahit sang gabi. Palihim na nagduduyan sa isang babae na mayroong kasintahan. Laging kapiling ngunit sa iba'y sumasagi. Ngunit hindi maawat puso kong naglalamay. Labis kong tiniis ang sakit at paghihirap. Ngunit hanggang kailan ko kaya ito makakaya? Minamahal kita ngunit sakit ang pag-ibig mo. Maling laman ka ng aking puso. Kahit alam ko na mayroon ka ng iba, ang isang pag-ibig na sa'kin pa rin ang hiling ko.
Tapos na pala ako mag-put away and gumawa na ako ng aking rice. Meron pa akong tirang chicken. Ano lang showtime. Yan pa yung chicken, yung last time, meron pang konti. Yun na lang ulam ko. Tapos, dito ko ilalagay yung gagawin kong cucumber. Yung katulad sa ipudo. Sesame oil. And eto. Yung roasted sesame. Tapos, etong spicy na Japanese. Then, eto yung sa rice. Wala akong malaking jar. Maganda sa ako may malaking jar para i-shake-shake ko lang siya. Kaya pa konti-konti lang. Tapos meron pa ako dito na hihiwain. Ano na ako? Anong oras na? 2:50 na. Sarap talaga nito. Nilalagyan ko pala ng hemp seeds yung ating cucumber salad. Na-miss ko din to eh. Wala ko yung sunflower seeds. Sarap din sana. Ayan. Okay. Yung mga bata kumain na raw sila. Binilan sila ni Daddy sa shop. Nung nag-grocery ako. Ito yung tiraang chicken. Pero hindi masayang. Kain tayo, guys.
Bakit kanino di napigil ang iyong ganda? Ang sintang nagdaramay di mo pinapansin. Kahit sang gabi, palihim na nagduduyan sa isang babae na mayroong palaging nandito ako sa tabi mo, anino sa iyong gilid.
Si Jan, tapos na rin akong kumain. Naubos ko. And si Sak, tsaka si Holly, kumuha din ng cucumber. And si Sak gusto niya pang magpagawa. Do you want more? Okay, kuya. Si Sak. Okay. You like it?
I like the spot.
You like the spice? Masarap siya nga. Masarap maanghang-anghang. BJ? What? He brought his dinghy.
Thought I had to try to make no mistakes. I prep ahead of time. I'm never late. Make it there on time. Don't bring down the mood. Greet them with a smile.
We're just crazy.
Dito na pala kami sa bay. And madadaanan namin yung shed. Hindi pa rin siya nagagawa. Naghihintay pa rin ng approval sa council. Ang tagal na nun, di ba? When was that? When the shed knock-out? September, August, hihintay ng ng approval sa council na gawin ulit. Hanggang yun, wala pa guys. ganun kabusisi sila. Ayun. Nadaanan. Ano siya? Ground zero. Ground zero. Ay, mali. Ayan. Oh, wala.
And they still
Wala.
haven't built it?
No. Mabit, Baba. No, not yet. It's gonna take a while, Papa. It's still gonna take a while.
Okay.
Yeah, oh my gosh, man. Dami rin nagda-drive. Miss ko mag-walking dito. Kung nandito yung kung diyan kami sa shed, yung caravan, mag-walking ako dito. And today, hindi ako nakapag-walking kasi nag-grocery ako na maaga. Baka mamaya, hopefully, may lakas ako mamaya na mag-walking in the afternoon. Hopefully. Ganda ng dagat. Kaso malamig ang tubig kahit mainit. Kung siguro tulad to sa dagat sa atin, siguro lagi din ako nagsiswimming. Magiging ako, very tan. Yan o. Ayan, may mga Oh, I wanna go there, Han.
Get out in and probably have a look.
Yeah, I will. But I wanna go there.
Better view. How far?
Parang turista tayo ngayon. Ito uso tong caravan na ginagawa, van na ginagawa nilang caravan. Sweet ng mag-ama. Aray ko. Ito ba? Ayan. Uso yan dito sa Australia. At nung nagpunta kami ng ano ba yun? Yamba. Ang daming ganyan. And then saan pa ba? Kasi yung mga pinupunta namin, madaming ganyan nakapark. Ang ganda ng tubig. Oh. Alalala. Ito lagi na lang nakahangin. Eh, meron ditong caravan. Caravan.
So good.
Smells good, no?
Yeah.
You didn't really clean, honey. No, it's not bad.
Mom, isn't that when there was a big wave coming and I because I wasn't that,
That one.
over there?
You still remember?
Yeah, I wasn't so fast and then the wave, it
Took
came
you away.
hit me and took me away.
Yeah. Lucky, I was there.
I was wearing my Thomas shirt. Wait, where do we go down? How do you
Whoa.
do it?
This one, right, Han? This one? No, we go this way.
Yeah.
Oh, nung maliit pa sila, dito pumupunta kami, bumababa dyan. No, not now, baby.
Dad, can I go?
No, maybe there's a snake.
Mom, don't say that.
Yeah, it's too hot.
Dad, would there be snakes?
They might. Alis na kami doon. And sabi ko kayo, picturean kami. Pinicturean naman kami. Sabi, ayaw pa sana dyan. Sabi niya, lagi naman tayo nandito. Lagi hindi tayo nagpapapicture. Lagi daw kayo nandito. Sabi ko, bakit? Ibig niya sabihin, dito naman tayo nakatira. Kung wala tayong picture dito. Punta kami doon sa dead end. There's a lots of people here. Daming tao dito. Swimming sila. Oh. Yan nga yung flag. Natambay lang kami doon. Ayan, alis na agad. Drive lang talaga kami.
What?
I said we're just driving around. I like this. Slow down here, honey. Wait, babe. Oh.
That's where I want to go.
Where?
There.
Yeah.
In the...
You want to go that way?
Dito sa Yeah, let's go, Baba. That's nice view. Upstairs. First time kong umakyat dito. Yeah. Have you been here? My God, I've been here for 14 years. Ngayon lang ako umakyat dito. Nice. Where are you? Oh. Hmm? This is my first time coming here.
It is?
Nice pala dito. Careful. Magpa-picture doon ang hangin.
With the island. Into the pond.
It's just heavy.
I am an asteroid. I'm soaring through the sky. He yells, but I ignore. I always start the fight. I say it dims my light. I've been on fire lately. We're about.
Pala ako. And si Kuya request niya yung
Hey guys.
adobong
Oh,
sitaw.
Ben. How did that?
Mag-adobong sitaw na lang ako.
Yeah.
Kasi ayaw nilang pizza. See what? Gasan ko lang ito tapos. Ito yung dinner nila. Nakapagnap ako. Ang init na. Ang init. Init. Gasan ko lang ito. So, ito na yung sitaw natin. Na ano ko na siya, na break. And, ito yung pansawg ko. Kunti lang, kukuha lang ako dito. Ay, meron kong isa, sayang nito. And si Jan, mag-omelette na lang siya, na may kamatis. Egg omelette. Kasi, hindi niya feel tawag yan. Yung gusto ko saan gawin is meatballs. Pag mainit, hindi siya maganang kumain pag mainit. Ako ng plastic. So, etong mga plastic na yung mga pinaglalagyan ko ng fruits, gulay, nire-recycle ko siya panggamit ng mga scraps. Lagayan ba? Ganito. Ayan. Nalito lang muna dyan. Kasi mag-iwa tayo ng bawang sibuyas. And eto, hindi yung bawang sibuyas bago yan. Hinugasan ko na siya. Hinugasan ko na to.
Oh, what's wrong?
Para ano.
I'm not gonna need the onions. Oh, my hands are gonna.
Hinugasan ko na siya. Kapatid. Ano yung itsura ng pork. Stock ko. Then, alisin ko siya dito. Look at their dinner, babe. Look. Na yung sitaw, luto na siya. Si Jan, binabutter niya na yung toast niya kasi kakain na siya. Yung mga bata naglalaro sa labas ng cricket. Yan na yung dinner nila. Nakapagluto na rin tayo ng rice. Ayan yung rice. Ayan yung sampayan namin, oh. Yung sampayan namin. Okay pa yung clothing line. Yung eto ba, nag-rust na. Ayan, dyan siya naputol. Rust na. Ayan sila. Hoy! Oh, yung may apricot na pala tayo, guys. Ang daming bunga daw niyan. Ang sarap din, matamis. Alright. And eto, tingnan nyo yung yung parsley. Ang ganda-ganda nito nung umalis ako. Diniligan ko to. Nung pagdating ko, super, na siya, super dry. Ayan, trying to, trying to revive. Hopefully. Tanggalin ko ang mga to. Kasi wala na yan. Brown na rin yan. As in, diniligan ko ng madaming tubig. So, hopefully, lumago ulit siya. Ang ganda sana nito. Napabaya. Hindi talaga sila nagdilig nung umalis ako. Never. Kahit yung sa loob. Pero yun. And hopefully, maging okay. Kaya na daw sila. Sila? Ha? What about it? Good. Hiniwalay ko yung, si kuya kasi gusto niya may sabaw.
Vinegar? Would vinegar be good?
Vinegar daw. Ayan, pakainin ko na sila.
Yeah.
Dito kami guys sa farm kasi magpifeed ng horse. Si Sak sumama din kasi mag-ride siya ng 4-wheeler.
Next one. Over there, yeah.
Dami naman.
Why does it smell good?
Want cross up?
No! It just smells good.
It looks like
Next one.
it looks like cereal.
Yeah.
Lupins. What's lupins?
It looks like the one that Kuya Teja always his these bar for golf.
And what's this?
This is Stormy
This is,
Muscle.
muscle
It's
mass.
making muscle. And this one is his other one.
Daming pagkain ni Stormy. Iba-iba.
That
So is this twice a day? You have to do this?
Usually, but I think because they've got so much grass,
So just
it's all one.
once a day.
Just it.
And then this is yung tubig ni Stormy.
He didn't fill it up.
And then where you gonna put?
He put it on the 4-wheel.
No. Yung powder, yung muscle.
And there.
Ay,
Then he mixes it all together.
akala ko dito sa water. Hinahalo
Thought it
lang
was
pala doon
in,
sa Yeah, I thought it's in the water. Hinahalo din pala dito. Who's that?
It's that.
Pamangkin niya. How many scoop, Han?
This one.
one of this one. EQ and wow, EQ. May EQ din siya. And for muscle. Tubig niya.
So not much fish.
Ah, yeah, siya yung nag-fishing doon.
So obviously you got plenty more to get on. Gotta be.
So, ganito ang gagawin niya every day for 2 weeks. Kasi 2 weeks mag-stay dito si Storm.
Fine.
I go with you, Zach. Ikaw kay Zach. Ay, si Holly.
Quick.
Wait. Aray ko, no.
Oh no! What are you?
Alright. Careful, Zach. Wait for Daddy. Hello, Zach.
Don't park in front of the gate, park on the side.
Oh
Kumakain na si Storm. Malulobat na ako, guys. So, pag nilobat to, see you. Malulobat na, guys. May 8% na lang ako. So, magpapaalam na kami. Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome.
No, say to the people.
Oh, what?
Thank
for
you.
what? Thank you. Please like, please subscribe, and scenic. Bye.
Good night.
Night.
Ang oras is 7:30? 7:33. Tama si
Dad, you
Sam.
want it?
Not yet because they're eating. Hey.
Huh? Get up. Nice.
Its name's Glenna.
Yeah, probably because you just heard Dad say it.
Don't go too close.
You want him, Dad?
Just give me that. No, just give me the food. Here. Don't drink all that then. Here. Here.
Stormy here. Yung food mo eh. No. Yeah. No, I'm not scared. I just... water. Diyan pa yung
Zach, go back.
Slowly, okay? Kuha sila ng tubig. Just be careful, slowly.
Don't worry about it. Let me get a wind coming the side with No, I think you go and watch. What's this one again?